The train that never returned. At 9:15 p.m., Daniel boarded a train to a city he had never visited before. The ticket looked normal. The passengers looked normal. Everything felt normal. But something was strange. There were no station names on the windows outside. Only darkness. He asked the man sitting next to him, "How many stops until we arrive?" The man smiled and said, "We don't arrive. We travel until we remember." Daniel laughed nervously. Minutes passed, then hours. The lights inside the train flickered. Suddenly, the train slowed down at a station with no name, no signs, no people. Only one door opened. A voice from the speakers said, "Those who want to return must leave their old reason for traveling behind." Daniel froze. He realized he wasn't traveling to a place. He was traveling away from something inside himself. One by one, passengers stepped out and disappeared into the fog. Daniel stood up, holding his ticket tightly. And for the first time, he asked himself, "Am I going somewhere, or running away?"